On behalf of the Society for the Visually Handicapped, Kolkata, I, Hena Basu, am reading Atlas for Visually Impaired India. It's a braille and print publication with tactile graphics. Cover page has 3 colors. On the top, white, it carries the logo of the National Atlas and Thematic Mapping Organization. Then there's a band of brown. It shows in braille Atlas for Visually Impaired India, and in print Atlas for Visually Impaired India. Then there is a white band and another green band. These 2 bands contain a map of India with raised dots and braille symbols. Top white band shows National Atlas and Thematic Mapping Organization, Department of Science and Technology, Government of India, Kolkata 2017. First page is a braille page. Next page is all white. On that in black is written Atlas for Visually Impaired India. Next page, no page number. On white, on the top, there is the logo in Hindi and English, National Atlas and Thematic Mapping Organization. Center, Atlas for Visually Impaired India. Bottom, National Atlas and Thematic Mapping Organization, Department of Science and Technology, Government of India, Kolkata 2017. Next page is a braille page. Next page, Special Edition 2017. Government of India Copyright, 2017. The territorial waters of India extend into the sea to a distance of 12 nautical (nautical) miles measured from the appropriate baseline stop. Published by Cologne, the Director, National Atlas and Thematic Mapping Organization, Department of Science and Technology, Government of India, CGO Complex, bracket opens, 7th floor, bracket closes, comma, DF Block, Bidhan Nagar, Kolkata 700064, full stop. reg.number.328 capital N capital A slash capital S capital P capital L hyphen 500 hyphen 2017 hyphen 18. Printed at Cologne, NATMO Printing Press, Rashtriya Atlas Bhavan, comma, 35, comma, GN Block, comma, Salt Lake, comma, Kolkata hyphen 700091 stop, and Regional Braille Press, Ramakrishna Mission Blind Boys Academy, Narendrapur, comma, Kolkata hyphen 700103. Next page, Logo of Government of India, Satyameva Jayate, Ashok Stambha. In Hindi, Pradhan Mantri. English, Prime Minister. Message. Para. I am happy to learn that National Atlas and Thematic Mapping Organization NATMO, under Ministry of Science and Technology, is bringing out a special edition of quote, Atlas for Visually Impaired India, unquote, in English Braille script. Stop. Para. I would like to congratulate the Ministry of Science and Technology, and NATMO, for bringing out a unique publication for the visually challenged people of our nation. Signature, Narendra Modi, on the right, on the left, New Delhi, January 12, 2017. Next page, Ashok Stambha at the center, Satyameva Jayate. Left, in Hindi, Dr. Harsh Vardhan. In English, Dr. Harsh Vardhan. Right, Mantri, Vigyan aur Praudogiki एवं पृथ्वी विज्ञान, Bharat Sarkar, Nai Delhi -110001. Minister, Science and Technology and Earth Sciences, Government of India, New Delhi -110001. Message. Para. I am delighted to know that the National Atlas and Thematic Mapping Organization NATMO of the Union Ministry of Science and Technology has prepared the Atlas for Visually Impaired India in English Braille script. Stop. People with low vision or visually impaired do not see through their eyes, they see through their hearts, through feeling. Stop. This atlas will be the best tool to the visually impaired persons to learn about different physical, economic and social aspects of the country. Stop. Para. I appreciate NATMO for their endeavor to publish this unique atlas, particularly for this special class of persons. Stop. This atlas will make them aware about the actual shape, proper knowledge about the natural resources, the people, the administrative divisions of the country. Stop. Para. I hope NATMO will take up similar efforts in future as well to serve the nation as it has been doing since last 60 years. Stop. Signature, Dr. Harsh Vardhan. Next page, on the left, Ashok Stambha, Satyameva Jayate, in Hindi, Shri Ashutosh Ashutosh Sharma. English, Professor Ashutosh Sharma. Center. Pair of spectacles. A pair of spectacles in line drawing, on one eye Swachha, on another eye Bharat. Bottom, Ek Kadam Swachhata ki Aur. Right, Sachiv, Bharat Sarkar, विज्ञान और प्रौद्योगिकी मंत्रालय, विज्ञान और प्रौद्योगिकी मंत्रालय विभाग. In English, Secretary, Government of India, Ministry of Science and Technology, Department of Science and Technology. Forward. Para. Each one of us is a person with special needs, but these needs are different from one to another. Stop. So, no one should consider it that people with visual impairment are only special needs person or disabled person and they cannot take part in nation building. Stop. People with visual impairment should not be treated with pity, comma. They are also the integral part of our society. Stop. Most of the famous persons in the world did wonderful things being disabled, comma, just like Surdas, comma, Louis Braille, comma, Beethoven, comma, Galileo Galilei, comma, John Milton, comma, Helen Keller, comma, Stevie Wonder, comma, Franklin Roosevelt, and many others. Stop. They proved that disability is not with sense or body, semicolon. It is with mind and soul. Stop. If those people can be provided some assistance, they will surely contribute equally for the development of the society. Stop. Para. I feel very much pleasure that National Atlas and Thematic Mapping Organization NATMO has come forward to assist the visually impaired and visually challenged persons in sharing the physiographic, economic, demographic, administrative knowledge of the country through publishing the special edition of, quote, Atlas for Visually Impaired India, unquote, in English Braille script. Stop. The publication of NATMO will surely be an immense help to these special people in learning about the various physical, social, economic and cultural aspects of the country. Stop. This atlas contains not only maps but also brief literature on every theme of the maps. Stop. Hence, the visually impaired people can easily gain a comprehensive knowledge about the items, about these themes. Stop. This atlas will surely provide an opportunity to the visually impaired persons for unfolding their potential participation in the process of society as well as nation building. Para. NATMO is an integral part of Department of Science and Technology, I would like to congratulate the Director, officers and members of staff of NATMO for taking up this noble cause and to publish this atlas in service to the nation. Stop. I look forward to see similar efforts by NATMO in future as well. Right, signature, Professor Ashutosh Sharma. Left, date, Cologne, 24th January, 2017. Next page. Left, Satyameva Jayate Ashok Stamba. Telegram. Science, SCIENCTECH. Durbhash / tel 26962819, 26567373, 26562134, 26562122, EPBAX. Fax 2656998, 26864570, 26863847, 26862418. Website Cologne, www.dst.gov.in. Right. Bharat Sarkar, विज्ञान और प्रौद्योगिकी मंत्रालय, विज्ञान और प्रौद्योगिकी विभाग, टेक्नोलॉजी भवन, नया महरौली मार्ग, नई दिल्ली 110016. Government of India, Ministry of Science and Technology, Department of Science and Technology, Technology Bhavan, New Mehrauli Road, New Delhi -110016. Forward. Para. NATMO is an integral part of Department of Science and Technology. Stop. I feel very much proud and privileged to discharge my duties as Director, NATMO for a period from 7th September 2015 to 7th November 2016. Stop. In this span of time, I was very much concerned to carry on the legacy of NATMO and was ever sincere to complete all the ongoing projects. Stop. Para. I am glad to know that the preparation of this special volume of quote, At Last for Visually Impaired India, unquote, which I had initiated has now been completed and is ready to be published for the service to the nation. Stop. This at last, I'm sure, will really serve as an efficient tool to the visually impaired people of the country, as it will help them to know the physical, social, cultural, political and economic features of India in a very handy way. Stop. Para. I would like to congratulate the present Director of NATMO, Dr. Tapati Banerjee, and all the officers and members of the staff of NATMO for publishing this atlas in time. Stop. I hope, NATMO will publish many more landmark publications in future as well. Stop. Left. New Delhi, 1st January, 2017. Right. Dr. Bhup Singh, signature, head, bracket, NRDMS hyphen NSDI, bracket close. Stop. Page number Roman small 8 A. Beg your pardon. Page number Roman small VIII small a. Center. Preface. Para. NATMO, the pioneer thematic cartographic CARTOGRAPHIC organization in the country, is proud to bring out this special edition of quote, At Last for Visually Impaired India, unquote. Stop. Para. The idea of preparing this special atlas was muted out to unfold the geographical, social, economic and cultural features of the country to the specially abled people of our nation. After a series of experiments, our scientists and technical personnel succeeded in finding a method for bringing out this atlas, which is easy to use and most importantly, eco-friendly. Stop. It was our prime concern that the sensitive fingertips of the users do not get injured by the tactile end. Stop. Para. In this special edition, 20 maps on major features of India on different themes have been incorporated along with brief description in English Braille script. Stop. It will provide a comprehensive knowledge about the themes to its users. Stop. The entire work of compilation of tactile maps, printing of the maps using special technology, all have been done indigenously in NATMO. Stop. I am thankful to all the members of the project team for doing this work in time. Stop. Para. Professor Ashutosh Sharma, the Secretary, Department of Science and Technology, Government of India, is instrumental in inspiring us to publish this at last. Stop. He took special interest in this publication and kindly agreed to write the foreword. Without his support, we will not be able to bring out this publication. Stop. I am thankful to my predecessors, Dr. Prithvish Nag, Dr. Bibhash Chandra Jha and Dr. Bhoop Singh, who took special attention to bring out these at last top. I am also thankful to all the members of the NATMO Technical Advisory Committee and all the staff of NATMO, who took keen interest to publish this at last top para. I am thankful to Ramakrishna Mission Blind Boys Academy, Narendrapur, and the Society for the Visually Handicapped, Kolkata, for providing active cooperation to compile this at last top. The visually challenged students vetted each and every pages of the Braille scripts prior to final printing. Stop. Para. The name of Shri Subroto Ghosh, architect and designer attached with MNC 1, Kolkata, needs special mention. Stop. He has skillfully designed the cover page of this atlas. Stop. Para. I hope this atlas will prove to be popular as ready reckoner to our visually challenged users. Stop. NATMO welcomes any suggestion, advice, proposal to make this atlas most useful for its users. Paras. I am delighted to dedicate this atlas to serve the visually challenged persons of a country, who were so long deprived of their legitimate right to have an atlas for their use. Stop. I am sure, that our sincere effort will help them in their quest for knowledge. Stop. Left, Kolkata, dated -01/01/2017. Right, Dr. Taupati Banerjee, Director, NATMO. Page Roman small x small a. Acknowledgement. Project team. Dr. Srimati Shonali Shaha Bhattacharya, Research Officer. Shri Daud Kandulna, Scientific Officer. Srimati Ruchira Bhaduri, Research Assistant. Dr. Shrimati Sweta Banerjee, Research Assistant. Shri Shubhankar Bhattacharjee, Research Assistant. Shri Sarvajit Kumar, Research Assistant. Dr. Shrimati Meenakshi Mukherjee, Junior Geographical Assistant. Map Reproduction Team. Dr. Shrimati Maushami Roy Chaudhary, Research Officer. Shri Ongshuman Shikdar, Assistant Manager. Shri Mahadev Das, Technical Assistant Process. Shri Sumitra Banerjee, LMP Grade 2. Shri Basudev Chaudhary, Printer, and other printing staff. Cooperation, Ramakrishna Mission Blind Boys Academy, Narendrapur, Society for the Visually Handicapped, Kolkata. Cover design, Shri Subroto Ghosh, architect and designer. Special thanks, Let Aniruddha Bhattacharya, ex-scientific officer. Page Roman small XIIA. Instructions for map reading. 1. Maps of India are made as self-teaching aids for students. Stop. Though guidance is essential for better understanding for the themes. Stop. 2. All maps are in a scale of 1:14, 000, stop. 3. English Braille script is used in the maps. Stop. 4. The neat line is broken in the top of left hand of the maps. to determine the north line. Stop. 5. Intervals of latitudes and longitudes are 4. Number 4 within bracket FOUR degrees. Stop. 6. Different symbols are shown in the reference boxes and numbered 1, 2, 3, etc. 7. Symbols like squares and circles are used for location of capitals, /cities, /important places. Stop. 8. Patch boundaries are shown whenever felt necessary. Stop. 9. Number on ISO-therm lines indicate temperature in Celsius shown in the map of India annual temperature. Stop. 10. Each map is followed by a brief description of the map in Braille script. No page number. Contents: message, forward, preface, Roman VI-VIIIA, acknowledgement, Roman IX-XA, instructions for map reading, Roman XI-XIIA. 1. India-administrative 1-4 capital A. 2. India-physical 5-6 capital A. 3. India-drainage 7-8 capital A. 4. India-soils 9-10 capital A. 5. India-natural vegetation 11-12 capital A. 6. India-annual temperature 13-14 capital A. 7. India-annual rainfall 15-16 capital A. 8. India-density of population 17-18 capital A. 9. India-metropolitan cities 19-20 capital A. 10. India-ports 21-22 capital A. 11. India-roads 23-26 capital A. 12. India-railways 27-30 capital A. 13. India-food crop rice 31-32 capital A. 14. India-food crop wheat 33-34 capital A. 15. India-food crop jawar GOWAR 35-36 capital A. 16. India-food crop bajra 37-38 capital A. 17. India-cash crop cotton 39-40 capital A. 18. India-cash crop jute 41-42 capital A. 19. India-cash crop sugarcane 43-44 capital A. 20. India-cash crop tea and coffee 45-46 capital A.